Welcome to our YouTube channel. Imagine this. One morning you look up, and the sun isn't there. In its place is an enormous, fiery colossus. What if UY Scuti, the largest known star in the universe, replaced our sun? Brace yourself. This isn't just science fiction, this is deep space madness. First, the size. Our sun has a diameter of 1.4 million kilometers. UY Scuti, a mind-bending 1.7 billion kilometers across. That's over 1,700 times wider than the sun. The surface of UY Scuti is around 3,000 degrees Celsius. Cooler than the sun, but still hot enough to vaporize our planet's crust, boil the oceans and disintegrate the atmosphere in seconds. Earth would become a glowing ember. So what about the sky, you might wonder? Well, say goodbye to nighttime. UY Scuti would appear so massive from Earth's perspective that it would occupy more than 50% of the visible sky. Can you even imagine that? It's truly mind-boggling. Its density is so low it's been compared to cotton candy. If you could scoop out a spoonful, it might weigh less than a marshmallow. If Earth were anywhere nearby, game over. The shock wave from such a supernova would travel at 10,000 kilometers per second, obliterating everything in its path. The gamma radiation would strip Earth's ozone layer, ignite wildfires across continents, and likely trigger a mass extinction if we weren't already cooked inside the star's belly. Here's a twist. Time would literally move slower near UY Scuti. Its mass warps spacetime, so clocks near the star's surface would tick noticeably slower than those farther away. Einstein's theory of general relativity tells us that standing near UY Scuti, if you could, would be like entering a low-level time dilation field. A minute near its outer shell might equal hours far away. The solar system's architecture would collapse. The sun's relatively small mass keeps the planets in tight, predictable orbits, but UY Scuti's low density and vast solar winds would strip away asteroid belts, destabilize moons, and likely eject planets into interstellar space. Our tidy little cosmic neighborhood turned into a gravitational madhouse. UY Scuti's atmosphere isn't calm, it's chaos. The surface boils with convective cells so massive that one could swallow Earth whole. These cells rise and fall over weeks, creating shock waves the size of continents. If we could hover nearby, we'd see waves of plasma rising and collapsing like slow-motion tsunamis of fire. And did you know UY Scuti is shedding its mass like it's falling apart? Every year it loses an estimated 1% of Earth's mass through its stellar wind. That's trillions of tons of gas per year, flooding space with a cosmic fog of hydrogen and helium that stretches for light years around it. It's like a star bleeding out into the void. Finally, from a cosmic perspective, UY Scuti is dying young. While our sun will live 10 billion years, UY Scuti will barely reach 10 million. The bigger the star, the shorter its life. It's like a celebrity that burns bright and dies fast, going out, not with a whisper but with a supernova blast so powerful it could birth entire nebulae or even neutron stars. If you stood hypothetically on its surface, you could probably jump 10 meters high, if you weren't already disintegrated by plasma winds. If your mind is officially melted, hit like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cosmic what-if adventures.